I just took a video. Blooper! Hi. You're such a loser. Shut up. You hear that? I hear the cops coming. Oh my god, you look like a goddess, cause like it's still like, you know, that clear, like, the fog from my stone, and there's just circular around you. So it's like you like came from heaven. Come on, Desiree. Can you hold it for me while I get out? This child, the strip. That's us. Oh, by the way, wearing David's bridle. David's bridle. Ew, look at this ugly. Where'd she go? What the hell is color?